going to take you through all the different materials that I like to use. First up on the list of writing utensils is pencils, and I have two favorites, and those are the Derwent Graphic and the Amazon Basics pencils. I would recommend when you're using pencils to use the HB or an H variant like 3H or 2H, because that is going to be light enough to make it easy to erase. If you don't want to go out and purchase special pencils, you can also just use your regular old HB pencil. My favorite of all time pen is the Papermate Inkjoy. I actually got a whole box of different colored Papermate Inkjoy pens for Christmas because I love them so much. This is the notebook that I will be using for this video, the Derwent Academy Heavyweight Paper Sketchbook. Another thing I like to decorate with is this midliner highlighter. They have a more chiseled, bold tip like your classic highlighter, and then they have a fine bullet tip. So I like to use these for decorating, like I said. One thing that many people like to use is a pair of scissors so that they can cut out drawings or illustrations and put them in using tape or washi tape. Another thing is whiteout, because we all make mistakes, and a lot of times you're going to be using pen, so you can't take back those mistakes. And when you've worked hard on a bullet journal spread, you really don't want to start over. Now I'm going to plan and sketch my layout. I'll usually grab a scratch piece of paper for my planning stage and just put what I'm thinking of doing and then transfer it onto my real piece of paper. Again, like I said, don't use too dark of a pencil. You want a soft graphite so that it doesn't get too dark. Today I'll be using a 3B so that you can see it and it shows up good on camera, but normally I would be using a 2H or an HB.